This is a capture race challenge for white. These 3 white stones only have 3 liberties left, and of course these 5 stones only have 3 liberties left as well. So white must occupy black's liberties, keep it tight. So the first move has to be here, right? Otherwise, if you play here, black can bend here. If you play this, then black has 3 liberties left and will succeed. If white plays here, now what happens is that black actually has 3 liberties left, because after this exchange, white must capture. Otherwise, this way, black also has 3 liberties left, and white will fail. So the first move has to be here. This will also fail. This will allow black to occupy on the outside. And now this becomes very similar to problem 472 earlier in this playlist. White just has to keep occupying black's liberties. But how? Right? This won't work. This way, after all these exchanges, black still has 3 liberties left, and white will fail. So that's why whites must bend here or here. Either will work. And the idea is to make number 1 into a fake eye. This way, black still only has 2 liberties left, and white will win this way. If black plays here, now white can Atari at number 5 and 7, and black will die. Similarly, this move will work. If black plays here, now we're back to one of the previous variations. Black plays here, now white can just Atari, forcing black to capture, and white can connect here. So once again, black only has 2 liberties left. So 1, 2, and 3. Number 3 is really key, here or here. This bending move on the first line, really sharp, keeping the liberties tight, and it's threatening to make number 1 into a fake eye. And whenever your opponent has a fake eye, their liberties are very short. So that's a really key technique in capture races. Real eyes and fake eyes make a huge difference. Hope that made sense, and hope you enjoyed this challenge. Good luck, and thank you for watching.